Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you very much for your likes and thank you for your comments, and I hope you're well. I hope you enjoy this festive season and take it easy and get ready, of course, for new year, because you really need to create content for your new year. And this is one of your of your strategies. In today's video, I will give you a couple of tips on how to find content for your blog, and also you can use that for a couple of you can take ideas to write in your emails, because sometimes you need to brainstorm and break down what you need to write. Of course, don't forget guys, you need to do a lot of research, your keywords, and I'm creating something special for you, so you can leave your comments below if you want more information. Now, the thing is that you need to make sure that you creating the right content in relation to what is your products, show results, or have a couple of reviews. But you need also to make sure that your keywords are ranking well, because this is one part also of your content. We are going now to the end of the year. You need to create new content and have a strategy. Now, a lot of us were writing, and we're authors, and we work for a couple of businesses. The thing is that this is a website called As In Articles, and a lot of people, you can have a free membership here, and a lot of people that come here to get inspiration. I mean, except for those who write in those I'm not saying that you have to copy the articles, but we're all of us copywriters, so you know what you can do. The thing is, you can get a lot of ideas for your blog in terms of titles. Again, remember to research and the keywords in order to rank high. So let's say, for example, your business is health and fitness. You click on health and fitness, and you can see here you have thousands of different areas like anxiety, beauty, acne, allergies. Let's take some, I don't know, mood disorder. Let's go for mood disorder. I'm just having an example, and you can have it's really helpful. You can get a lot of ideas for for your articles. And this is one, 3 ways to beat the blues this season for winter health. So this is very good. Panic attacks, things to know, and of course the keywords. It's just an example to show you, and also you can get a couple of ideas for your email marketing, like your titles and everything, just to like an inspiration. You can use this site as inspiration, and a lot of people actually use it. It's interesting. I mean, if you want to get heal your emotions with food, for example, if you have healthy or dietitian and nutrition blog or something like that, you can get some ideas on what to write. I mean, it's giving you a lot of titles, because some of us, we struggle with the titles. And remember to write down the questions of what your audience likes, and prepare for the new year to have your content, because we're all of us writing stuff, and we have managing from before months in advance. So I mean, most of my clients, that's the way they do it. And of the videos, and again, you have to have a look through for the keywords. There is different categories if you want to get ideas, and also play around with your own blog posts, as I do that as well. You know what I mean? Take ideas from previous, and this is something you need to think, like how to turn your content into very, very good quality content in order to rank high and also to convert more clients, so you can get ideas on how to do that. So that's it for me today, guys, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave your comments below, and all the best.